Hi lovelies, welcome back to the channel. In today's video is just a quick one on how to stitch and draft this bubble kaftan. So let's get started. Firstly, what we need is our normal basic body measurement, the neckline, the shoulder measurement. Here I measure the neckline and also together with the shoulder line, either a V or a round neckline. It depends on the neckline you want. The bead also was to come down by one for the shoulder slant. Now to join from the neckline to the shoulder line. It depends on the neckline you would love to work with or how wide you would love you. Next thing to do is to take the measurements for the round sleeve, and also I came in by 4. It is to measure from the shoulder line to the waistline. Waist, which we are going to be dividing by 4, and also the hip measurement, and this depends, that is the circumference of the hip. This depends on how free you would love it to appear at the hip line, but the major measurements we need here are just the neckline measurement, the shoulder measurement, the round sleeve, that is how wide you would love it, and also the waist measurement. The length, maybe you would love it having nail length or as a full length. So just watching how I take the measurement of this dress. Also to take the circumference of the total length. This is actually not necessary, but it depends. You can measure the circumference if you would want, or you just give it a straight line down to the nail or the length you would be working with. Yeah, what I'm trying to do here is just to take the measurement for the circumference of how wide I would love. So afterwards, the next thing to do is to take the measurement for to connect my neckline, that is it's a V shape for the front part. So the length I used there is 7 inches for the length, and 4.5 inches for the wideness. So the next thing now to cut out our bodies and replicate it for the back piece. The difference between the front and the back pieces is just the neckline. To take another fabric, I used a crepe fabric here. I placed it on fold, then I tried to replicate what I'll be working with, then trace it out. Now to get the beauty of this gown, for the front piece, I have to divide the waistline, that is the waist circumference, into 2, and the waistline I'm working with is 28. 28 divided by 2, that's 40. So That's what I'm trying to mark here. And I'm going to find the midpoint and also divide that 14 into 2, that is 7. So afterwards, I'm going to make another fabric to make a belt and attach it at where the 7 stop by each side, that is the left hand side and the right hand side. So just to sew the belt at the extreme, that is where the 7 stop by the left and the right side of the waistline. The next thing to do is to get another pieces for a belt, and this belt will serve as the firm part for the waist. And the next thing I did also was to sew these two belts by the side. Here's the fringe to sew at the tip of the gown. Depends on the length of the tip that you would love, either a short or a long fringe. So we just sew it round the tip of the. That's it on today's video. Let me know what you feel about today's video. Cleaners, new subscribers, returning subscribers. Thanks for always keeping up with your girl. I appreciate and loving all. I'll see you all in my next video. Stay blessed.